Our Brain is Actually Empty Part 3 ChatGPT A.I Responses. Here I ask the AI ChatGPT to summarize the article based on the information presented, then furthermore based on the summary points, create and write an article. We will clearly see how ChatGPT presents the AI point of views, also create counter-arguments, and further explore the relationships between human brain and computer with regards to information processing theory. The human brain versus computers, separating fact from fiction by ChatGPT. The human brain is one of the most complex and remarkable organs in the body. Despite this, it is often compared to computers in terms of how it processes information and retrieves knowledge. However, this comparison can sometimes be misleading and oversimplified. In this article, we will explore some common misconceptions about the human brain and computers, and separate fact from fiction. 1. Processing information. While the human brain does process information, it is not always done in the same way as a computer. The brain is a highly adaptive organ that processes information through complex networks of neurons. Computers, on the other hand, process information through a series of algorithms and rules. 2. Retrieving knowledge. The human brain is capable of retrieving knowledge that has been stored in its memory banks. However, the process of retrieving information from memory can be influenced by various factors such as emotions, stress, and even our current state of mind. Computers, on the other hand, retrieve information in a more straightforward manner through the use of algorithms and data storage. 3. Storing memories. The human brain is capable of storing memories, both in the short term and long term. While memories may not be stored in the same way as computer data, they can still be retrieved and used to inform our thoughts and decisions. 4. Born with information. Unlike computers, humans are not born with information or knowledge. Instead, humans develop these skills and abilities through learning and experience. 5. The human brain is capable of absorbing new information, forming new connections, and adapting to new situations, making it a highly adaptive organ. 6. Symbolism. The human brain uses symbols and representations in its thinking and communication, but it does not operate on symbolic representations of the world in the same way that computers do. The human brain is capable of making connections and forming relationships between different pieces of information, while computers rely on specific algorithms and rules to process information. The AI further that, in conclusion, while it is tempting to compare the human brain to computers, it is important to remember that the two are fundamentally different. Our AI sees that the human brain is a complex and adaptive organ that is capable of processing, storing, and retrieving information in a way that is unique and unparalleled. Importantly, ChatGPT A.I finished the summary article with the following statement: by separating fact from fiction, we can gain a deeper understanding of the remarkable capabilities of the human brain and appreciate its possible potential. I found it interesting that ChatGPT actually defines the human brain as an adaptive organ. This is a key takeaway, an important understanding when comparing the brain to the computer. This also leads me to think that both the human brain and computer will continue to evolve in their own ways differently. Adaptation is an important evolutionary process, regardless of whether referring to cell-based or silicone-based entity. So, is the human brain actually empty? To answer this, the author of the article started with the information theory metaphor, and how the concept had become the mainstream of understanding human brain in the last 50 years. However, we can now clearly state that our brain does not work the same as information theory has suggested. ChatGPT A.I helped pointed out the adaptive nature of the brain, thus new theories and concepts will continue to shape and better our understanding. Perhaps we are just a holographic projection based on quantum theory, where quantum entanglement could traverse vast distances, even between different dimensions or universes. If this is the case, then the brain is empty after all.